One day, Thomas was at the junction when Gordon shuffled in with some trucks.
I'm gonna say the N-word.
That's racist! You can't say the N-word!
Pingers! Phew! Remarked Thomas. What a funny pingers! Can you pingers? I can't pingers, said Annie. A funny, musty sort of pingers, said Thomas. No one noticed it till you did, grunted Gordon. It must be yours. Not long ago, he had fallen into a dirty ditch. Thomas enjoyed teasing him about it. Annie? Clarabelle? Do you know what I think it is? It's...
No!
Before Gordon could answer,
Surprise,
Thomas puffed
motherfucker.
away. Annie and Clarabelle could hardly believe their ears.
Nigga!
Long ago, miners digging for lead had made tunnels under the ground. Their roofs are strong enough to hold up trucks, but not the weight of engines. A large notice warns them not to enter the area.
Hey,
Danger.
who's the dame with the
Must not
sweet
pass
keister?
this board. Silly old board, thought Thomas. He had often tried to pass it, but had never succeeded. But this morning he had made a plan. The fireman went to turn the points. Now for my plan, thought Thomas. Pumping the trucks fiercely, he jerked it, followed them into the siding. Come back, yelled his driver. Fire and smoke, said Thomas. I am a duck. He was. Oh dear, he said, I am a silly engine. And a very naughty boy, said the fat controller. Please get me out. I won't be naughty again. Poop, poop, little Thomas. I'll have you out in a couple of puffs.